What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube comment autoresponder by creating a simple automation in make.com. Let's get started. To get started in Make, I've created a scenario that I've renamed to YouTube Comment Autoresponder. And here, we're going to add a trigger. So I'm going to search for YouTube over here. And our trigger is going to be the watch new comments trigger right here. Here, you'll need to create your connection between your channel and Make by clicking on Add right here. And then here, give your connection a name. For example, can rename this to the name of your channel like I did over here. And then here, say that you understand and accept YouTube terms of service and Google privacy policy. Then click on sign in with Google over here. Then on the new window that pops up, choose the email with the channel that you like to watch the comments. And then your connection will be created. Since I had already done that, I'm going to close this right here. And here I'm going to choose my connection, which is from my channel over here. Now here, you can decide to watch the comments in the entire channel or in a certain video. I'm going to choose channel. And here we're going to add our channel ID. To find your ID, I'm going to click on ID Finder right here. You can either add the username of your channel or the handle of your channel and click on OK to find your channel ID. You can also search for channel ID Finder tools right here and use one of the tools to find your channel ID. So all you have to do is add your username right here and either of these tools. Then click on Get Channel ID to get the ID of your channel. And here you'll find your ID of your channel. So here you can copy it and come and paste it over here. And here we like published comments. So here you can either choose published, helpful review, or likely spam, but I like published comments. Now here you can choose to filter the comments. You can choose to respond to comments by filtering the comments based on a search term. I'm going to choose to respond to all comments, and here you can limit it to 1. Then I'll click on OK. You can choose where to start. You can choose to start from now, since a specific date, or choose manually. Yeah, I'm going to choose manually over here. You can see the recent comments that have been posted in your video right here. For example, you can try to respond to this comment that I added on one of my videos. And here, click on OK. And then I run this module to get the comment. So now with it here, you can see our comment right here. Here you can see the ID of the video that we commented, text display, the original text, the author, profile image, their channel, comment ID, and when the comment was published right here. So now with the comment right here, we can proceed to auto respond to this comment. So here, the first thing that I'm going to do here is we're going to sleep for, let's say, 3 seconds. Right here. Now after delaying for 3 seconds, we can use an AI tool to generate a response to our comment. So you can either choose ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, or all these other AI tools. I'm going to choose to use Gemini. And here, I'll click on Create a Completion. I'll open this node. And here, we're going to choose the AI model that we're going to use to generate a response to our comment. You can choose any of these models right here. I'm using Gemini 2.5 Flush because it's the latest model that we're using currently. Then here, I'm going to add a role. I'm going to first of all add the model role. The prompt for the model role could be on the lines of, you're an assistant that writes personalized, engaging, and natural replies to comments on my channel. Prompt for the user role is on the lines of, write replies that feel casual, fun, and community-driven, like I'm chatting with friends in the comments. And here we're going to add our YouTube comment. We're going to add the original text over here. Then here we're going to outline some guidelines that would like the AI to follow. We're telling the AI, always sound human, conversational, and on brand, friendly, supportive, playful. Then you're also telling the AI, personalize each reply by referencing something specific from the comments message. We'll also like to keep responses short, 1 to 3 sentences in a warm and varied, no cookie cutter replies. We'll also like to sprinkle some personality. For example, we're going to add some light humor, emojis, or relatable phrasing when appropriate. We also like to encourage further interactions naturally. For example, asking for a follow-up question, invite them to share, or point them to related content. We'll also like to avoid generic responses like thanks for your comment unless paired with something personal. For each input comment, we like to return a single personalized reply. And then here we're training example of comments and responses I would like the AI to generate for us. For example, this tutorial helped me so much. Thank you. And you're generating this personalized response to the comment, which is on the lines of, yes, glad it saved you some headache. Which part do you think you'll use first? So that's a very incredible response that we like the AI to generate for us, replying to the comments in our channel. The other comment could be on the lines of, can you make a video on a certain topic? And then the response is on the lines of, oh, good one. I've actually been thinking about the topic. Would you want a deep dive or just a quick step-by-step tutorial? That's a very personalized response. The last example is on the lines of, I tried this and it worked. And then the response could be on the lines of, let's go. Love hearing wins like this. Got any other tricks you've been using? That's a very personalized response. I would like our automation to respond to our commenters in our videos. So here, I'll rename this to YouTube Comment Autoresponder. Then here I'll click on Save. And the next thing that I'm going to do here is we're going to also wait a few seconds. For example, we can wait, let's say 5 seconds or longer. After the comment, we're not immediately responding to them. So you may feel like we took some time to read the comment and responding to them. So we're going to wait a few seconds. You can wait a few minutes also over here to respond to them. So now to respond to the commenter, here, I'm going to search for the reply to a comment module. Here we're going to add the comment ID. We're going to drag it right here. The content will be the result of generate over here. So here, I'll click on Save. Yeah, I'll rename this to YouTube Comment Autoresponder. YouTube comment generator means that we're generating comments, and the role of this module is to respond to the comments that we are watching over here. So I'll rename this to YouTube Comment Autoresponder. We can try to run this automation, get a comment, generate a response, and then reply to the comment using this node right here. So to do that, yeah, I'll first of all choose where to start. I'm going to choose manually. Then I'm going to find one of the comments I posted in one of my videos. Then I'll save it, and then I'll run this automation. We captured one of the comments that was posted in one of our videos. Then we waited a few seconds and generated this incredible autoresponder to our comment, which is on the lines of, oh, so happy you loved it. What's your favorite part or something that really stuck with you? And here we are waiting a few seconds to reply to the comment using this module. Now, when I open the video that we posted, the comment, this was the comment that we posted right here, and you can see we also generated a reply to this comment right here. So the recent response that we generated for this comment in this video over here. So here, I'll delete this comment right here, and then I'll add a new comment. For example, I'll post, this is so brilliant, thanks for sharing. Then I'll comment on our video right here on this node. I'm going to choose where to start and find our comment. Here's our comment right here, so I'm going to select it and click on save so we can respond to the comment. To do that, I'll run our workflow. Automation ran successfully. Here we captured our comment that we posted in one of our videos. Then we waited a few seconds and we generated this incredible response right here, which is on the lines of, whoa, brilliant is a huge compliment. Thanks so much for saying that. What part really clicked for you? Or did it spark any fun new ideas? That's an incredible response. Then we waited a few seconds to respond to our comment using this module right here. Now, here, I'm going to refresh our video. This is our video. I'll pause it. Now, when I scroll over here, you can see the comment that was posted in one of our videos and the response that we auto-generated using our automation over here. This is a response that we generated using our automation after a subscriber or a user left a comment in one of our videos right here. So we generated this incredible response to this comment using our automation that we created in Make. So here, I'm going to choose to delete this comment right here, so we can also delete the response. So this is the automation that we use to generate our response to the comment that was left in one of our videos over here. So here we are watching for the new comment, and we're delaying a few seconds. Then we're generating a comment auto response using Gemini. Then we're waiting a few seconds and then replying to the comment that we watched over here using this module over here. So our automation works perfectly. Now, for this automation to work automatically, here all you have to do here is choose to start from now and click on save, and then turn it to on over here. And here you can set an interval that you like to run this trigger. And the scenario can choose its regular intervals, once every day, days of the week, days of the month, or specify days, or choose to run this automation on demand. And choose intervals, and you can choose the interval that you like to run this automation. For example, let's say 15 minutes, and then you have to click on save. Now, every single time a comment is posted on one of your videos in your channel, this automation will automatically watch the new comment, wait a few seconds, generate a response to the comment, then wait a few seconds, or minutes to reply to the comment automatically right here in Make. If you'd like me to create this automation for you, or an automation similar to this one, just click the first link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we're going to discuss more about the automation that you'd like to set up, and then I'll proceed to create the automation for you. But if you enjoyed this video and you have an automation or a system in mind that you'd like me to create using make.com, just comment down below in the comment section. I read all the comments, and if I land on your comment and I find it intriguing, I'll come back on a future video showing you how to create the entire automation or system from scratch using make.com. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.